Coffee before claims. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Where there? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Shaniacs. How are we out there in Shane Man Nation? Welcome to Shane Man TV, and I'm Bob. Morning. Got me Mountain Dew. Well, my version. It's a bit cloudy. Yeah. My stomach's so big, so when you can see me feet. Seafood are gone. Drive time. Do you want to come with me? Alright, I'll let you come along for a ride. There we go. Free table. And a little barbecue. Barbecue's nearly all plastic, but yeah, too big for me, but good for someone. You know what I like about days like this? Not a great deal. We're going to do some scrapping, some trash picking, some dumpster diving. I don't know what we're going to do. Well, I know our journey starts now. Yeah, not the best of weather, is it? But as you can see, here are the skip bins, or that's what we call them in Australia, skip bins for the construction. Yeah, I'm going to have a bit of a squiz and see how we go. But like I said, it's not the best of weather. Anyway, now, ideally, you really want to come to these places before they got their plaster in. But yeah, I can see some Cat 5 down there. Yeah, we'll have a bit of a squiz at all of these and show you what I get in the end. Right. You can see here, this place has already been plastered. There's a fair bit of colour on there, angles and such, but not what I'm after. Alright, on to the next one. I thought that was a real big cable. It's not. It's empty. A little bit of wire, not much. Oh, is it? Alright. Yeah, I've basically come here at the wrong bloody time, eh? A lot of these places are finished, waiting for people to go in, or they're past the plasterboard stage, which you want to get in early for the plumbing and electrical before the plaster goes in. That sort of stuff normally gets dumped in the bins beforehand. But anyway, we'll keep wandering, but it doesn't look that bloody good. Anyway, alright. Yeah, well, I didn't find much. A decent grip of copper wire. I did find at George Foreman Grill, small one, with a cord and a little piece of aluminium and a couple of buckets to put stuff in. So yeah, not a great deal, but every little bit helps. Thanks for watching. I forgot to tell you, I've got a new helper, Pokey, and that just helped out then. Hey, rather good one. And we didn't find much. Yeah, like I said, you got to go to those places before the plasterers go in to get the copper and wire. Found a little bit, you know, and grip by the time I strip it. Found that good George Foreman Grill. Yeah. That doesn't sound good, does it? Seems like I've been on the piss already. I haven't. Trust me. Yeah, but yeah, it was, weather was crap, obviously. But and I got my Japanese safety boots on, and I'm dirty. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully I'll go back there when they put up a few more places. But it's something to think about here. Any new suburbs you got, go and check out the dumpsters. Alright, fat bastards out. Catch us later. Hooroo.